Setting up the Uniswap SDK can be a complex process and users often encounter several common issues. This guide will walk you through the most frequent problems and provide step-by-step solutions to help you set up the Uniswap SDK successfully. Firstly, ensure you have installed the Uniswap SDK correctly using npm or yarn. A common issue is the incorrect version of the SDK being installed. Make sure to check the version compatibility with your project requirements. Another common issue is the failure to import the Uniswap SDK into your project. This can be due to incorrect import statements or missing dependencies. Always verify that you have the correct import statements and have installed all the required dependencies. When setting up the Uniswap SDK, it is crucial to have a good understanding of the Ethereum blockchain and smart contracts. A common issue is the incorrect configuration of the Ethereum provider. Ensure that you have the correct Ethereum provider configured, such as MetaMask or Infura. One of the most frequent issues encountered is the incorrect setup of the wallet. The Uniswap SDK requires a wallet to be set up to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. Ensure that you have a compatible wallet set up and configured correctly. Best practices for setting up the Uniswap SDK include starting with a simple example and gradually building complexity. It is also essential to thoroughly test your setup to ensure that it is working as expected. Additionally, it is crucial to stay up to date with the latest version of the Uniswap SDK and Ethereum blockchain. Regularly check for updates and follow the official Uniswap documentation for the most recent information and best practices. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully set up the Uniswap SDK and avoid common issues. Remember to always verify your setup and test thoroughly to ensure that it is working as expected. With the correct setup and understanding of the Uniswap SDK, you can build robust and scalable decentralized applications.